Now, well done, my country people. Now, thank you so much for joining this channel today. I beg, when I for like, when I for comment. For those who never subscribe, please use this opportunity. May for press the subscribe button. I may don't forget to on your notification so that anytime I post any information, now you will be the first person to see them. Now, the matter I bring come here today, now the matter we concern the activists, so they call Omoyole Sowore. Of course, from university days all through till date, Omoyole Sowore, they stand, they challenge with government to say nobody suppose they oppressed. And anywhere injustice they stand against them. Yes, so many matter don't they go on since on Monday because this week they hot for Omoyole Sowore. They go in and out of Kuje prison and as well. DSS them they carry and they play table tennis. We're gonna see waiting for happen for courts all through from Monday till today. And when we come back, we will talk about the matter. We're gonna watch.
Hey! Why are suits? You see inside the courtroom. Look at what they are doing to Sowore inside courtroom. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing. DSS, look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Do you want to shoot us? 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 Do you want to shoot us?
And shame, sorrow, tears will visit the families or the people who do injustice to people who are out to fight for social justice. Absolutely. And that has happened to Buhari. It has happened to Malami. It has happened to the Erufais of this world. And it will happen to Tinubu. It will happen to Decisñ, who is the DG of DSS. They will end up in ignominy. There's no question about it. So I stand ready. I did not even try to appeal to an order while I was absent last week that my bail is revoked and an arrest or bench warrant is issued towards me. I got a new set of lawyers today, as I promised the court last time, and they are going to represent us. But the court was told by the prosecutors that they must insist on sending me to Kuje prison until Wednesday. But guess what? I'm prepared. I brought my prison bag with me today, and I told the judge, who said he can't recuse himself, that when they are ready, I'm outside. Nobody should be surprised. I have predicted before now that all these things are going to happen. But they are happening for a good reason. And the reason is that somebody must make the sacrifice that will liberate this country. Kwame Nkrumah was sent to prison for insulting colonial masters in Ghana. The day he came out of prison was the day he became the president of the Federal Republic of Ghana. I'm going to prison to keep mobilizing our people so that this country can be liberated. I have no doubt that the end of the evil regime has come. Absolutely. I have no doubt that the Nigerian people deserve my sacrifice. Yes. I have no doubt that if we don't do this now, we'll have to do it another time. This is a sacrifice I started making since I was a university student at the age of 18. And I'm now 56. I'm still going to prison on behalf of my country and my country's people. And I feel privileged that I'm the one who has stood the test of time against the impunities of our leaders. Some of them pretended that they were Democrats in 1993. 2026, we discovered that they are monsters. And I'm referring to Tinubu. And I am insisting once again, because I was brought here by Muhammadu Buhari in 2019. And I said then, and I repeat today, nobody can defeat the revolution. Absolutely. And shame, sorrow, tears will visit the families or the people who do injustice to people who are out to fight for social justice. Absolutely. And that has happened to Buhari. It has happened to Malami. It has happened to the Erufais of this world. And it will happen to Tinubu. It will happen to Decisñ, who is the DG of DSS. They will end up in ignominy. There's no question about it.
Nice to meet you. Have you respect for incoming president? Revolution! That's so. Yeah, I say it to you. I say it.
Let me tell you, you are, whether the president, everybody. If the country is free today, it's free for everybody. It's free for your children. It's free for everybody, every single citizen of this country. So holding the country to ransom does not help the country. It creates anarchy. But we want a free country, a free society that every single soul will enjoy, nothing else. And that's all.
Yeah. Very stupid country.
And no one is happy about it.
How can insulting the president become a crime? Does it? They have been insulting Trump all this while. Trump not insulted. Everybody not insulting that president. Why should it be a crime? Why should it even be a subject where we are wasting taxpayers' money to prosecute somebody?
Just distraction.
It doesn't make any sense. Yes. Reno Omokri is not an ambassador. We do not call the president drug lord. It's
Panikayode.
Voila, they know all insult the president.
Yes.
Why are you harassing Sowore for what? What for? I said I'm not going to join any protest again, but they are making me come out to join
What is it?
I said I'm not going to join any protest again because Nigerians are not
You are real, sir.
Because you are real.
Sir.
You are real.
You are real.
Everywhere. I said that the only condition I will join protest. I said the only condition I will join protest is if 1 million people come out.
Should I go behind your camera?
That's what I said. But look at me joining the protest. Why should we be protesting for somebody because the person is so president? Are people not insulting Trump every day?
A leader.
If you are not ready to be insulted, you should stay in your house.
Be a leader.
Do your normal business.
Yes.
But if you say you want to leave, you must submit yourself to this
Yes.
and name calling.
Yes.
And so, what is the presidential candidate?
Yes.
Why are you trying to prevent him from contesting? Why? He now looks desperate as if they don't want Sowore to contest the next election.
Exactly.
What is the desperation about, for God's sake?
Of what business does a federal high court judge have in meddling in an affair that is purely a civil matter? Defamation is civil. If somebody has defamed you, we've been defamed before, and we never approach the police to prosecute on our behalf because we strongly feel that such matters are for the civil courts. The police must stop with urgency the practice of taking money from the so-called big men to harass and oppress Nigerians.
Now, welcome back, my country people. I believe so. Now, don't listen to waiting all those lawyers get to talk. Now, don't see the kata way happen since on Monday till today. Where they carry on they go court, they come back. And I don't see waiting transpire. And I don't see waiting the youths them, the protesters, where they outside the court them. They talk concerning this matter. Of course, the activist himself stand Gidibato say, look, this matter. I talk with my full chest, say the president who will get for this country they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu na thief. And it say no, they go back on the words. If Reno Omokri go fit talk, things way was past waiting in talk, and yet they give him political appointments. Then why he own come be say they won't remand them for prison? I mean, because him be presidential aspirants for his own party. Nigerians. You get one thing with this government who gets currently, you know, say na people now they elect leaders. And the leaders did here to serve the people. If the people don't like the leaders, of course, those who did here supposed to give the people another chance to choose who they want make you represent them for them. But as it stands, the cat who will know don't become tiger. My people, I beg, what you feel concerning this matter we concern Omoyele Sowore? We'll put our thoughts for comment section. Many more gist they come, but for now, my name, Namo. Now, bye-bye.